Hey, let me talk to you the way someone talks after spending weeks living in front of a screen that finally feels like it understands you. The first time you fire up the MSI MPG 321URX, it hits you in a way you can't explain with specs. It's more like stepping into a version of your setup that finally matches the way you see games, movies, and work in your head. This is for someone who notices the details other people ignore. Someone who doesn't want a monitor that just displays an image, but one that actually changes the way you experience everything on it. If you're the type who chases clarity, color purity, and motion that feels alive instead of artificial, this is exactly your lane. Before you get pulled into what this thing can do, check the current pricing and stock. It swings more than you'd expect, and it doesn't sit on shelves long. There's always that moment when you realize your old display was holding you back. Maybe it was the washed-out colors. Maybe it was that subtle blur during fast movement. Maybe it was the dull contrast that made everything feel flat. You keep telling yourself you'll upgrade soon, until you finally sit in front of something like this and realize just how low your bar had fallen without noticing. Then the relief kicks in. You move from your old screen to this QD-OLED panel and it feels like someone cleaned a fog you didn't know was there. Black stops being dark gray. Colors don't just look brighter, they feel deeper. Motion stops smearing and starts flowing. And once your eyes adjust to this level, the idea of going backward becomes unthinkable. Picture it, you're in a fast-paced match and the 240 Hz refresh makes every movement feel instinctive. You're editing photos or videos and the accuracy doesn't just help, it boosts your confidence because what you see is finally what you get. Or you're watching a late-night movie and the room disappears because the contrast pulls you straight into the scene. If you've been circling this monitor, don't wait too long. Panels like this bounce in and out of stock, and pricing shifts without warning. And of course doubts come up. You think about the price, you wonder if it's too much, or if your current monitor is good enough. But every time you compare it to something weaker, something inside you knows you're settling. You didn't come this far to keep staring at compromises. The surprise benefit. The comfort. You don't expect how easy it becomes to stare at the screen for hours without eye fatigue. OLED is gentle in a way you only appreciate after long sessions, and the clarity keeps you engaged instead of strained. There's a pride that settles in once it's on your desk. You're not just upgrading your setup, you're elevating the whole space. There's a confidence that comes from owning something built at this level, something that feels like it's finally worthy of your time and attention. The colors feel alive in a way LEDs can't match. The motion is so clean it sharpens your reactions. The contrast pulls you deeper into every world. The workspace feels instantly more premium. The clarity makes old monitors look obsolete. The brightness can dip slightly on full white screens. The level of quality makes the price feel serious, but at some point, you already know which monitor you've been leaning toward. You've compared enough. You've watched enough videos. You always end up back here because this is the one that fits who you are now, not who you were with your old setup. If you're ready to stop delaying the upgrade you've been thinking about for months, check the link and lock it in while it's available.